Welcome to the University of Johannesburg Library website. In this video, we will guide you through the library website to help you make the most of its resources and services to support your academic journey. Through our website, access an extensive collection of digital and physical materials, including ebooks, journals, and research databases via the UJ Library website. To access the library website, simply open your preferred web browser and search for UJ Library. You will see several search results and click on the one that has UJ Library. The homepage is your gateway to a wide range of information, resources, and library services. At the top of the homepage, you'll notice rotating banners that provide quick access to featured resources, important announcements, and library services. As you scroll down, you'll find UJoogle, our powerful discovery search tool. UJoogle allows students and staff to search across multiple library resources from a single search box. Just below UJoogle, you'll see several quick access tabs. The library catalog helps you search for both print and electronic resources. The Journals A to Z tab allows you to browse and search thousands of scholarly journals alphabetically. The Databases tab provides access to a wide range of subject-specific and multidisciplinary databases where you can find scholarly and credible research sources. The Course Reserves tab gives you quick access to prescribed textbooks, recommended readings, and other course materials recommended by your lecturers. Preparing for exams. The Exam Papers tab provides access to past examination papers to help you revise and practice with confidence. If you need assistance, the Contact Us tab provides library contact details so you can easily connect with the appropriate librarian. As you continue scrolling, you'll find additional library services displayed with images for easy navigation. Here, you can learn about library operating hours, explore the different UJ campus libraries, and view your borrowing privileges, including how many items you may borrow and for how long. You'll also find a step-by-step guide to connecting your devices to the university's Wi-Fi network. You can also access library support services, including assignment and research support, as well as online training tutorials and instructional videos. The Archives and Special Collections section provides access to rare books, historical documents, manuscripts, photographs, and other unique materials that support teaching, learning, and research while preserving our institutional and cultural heritage. You'll also find our library guides, which offer subject-specific resources and helpful research support. Further down the page, you'll discover even more valuable resources. The AI Hub features an AI literacy guide designed to help you develop the knowledge and practical skills needed to use artificial intelligence responsibly in your studies. The Plagiarism and Copyright section provides guidance on academic integrity and explains how to avoid plagiarism while respecting copyright. The Digital Scholarship section offers access to digital tools, services, and expert support to help you create, manage, analyze, and share your research. You'll also find the Referencing and EndNote section, where you can access the university's referencing guides, including UJ Harvard, APA, and IEE, as well as tutorials on using EndNote to manage your references. As you scroll further, you'll find Lean Library, UJ Press, and the First Year Student Guide, which introduces essential information literacy skills to help you succeed at university. Finally, you'll reach another section featuring additional library services. The Events and Conferences page allows you to book library venues, reserve the podcast studio, and stay informed about upcoming events and conferences. You'll also find Research Output, where you can explore research-related information, the Library Creative Hub, which showcases the makerspace, virtual reality, and podcast facilities, and useful links, where you can quickly access other important library resources. We also have Mo UJI, our virtual library chatbot. It is available to answer your UJ library-related questions and help you quickly find the information and support you need. We hope this tour has helped you become familiar with the UJ Library website. Explore the available resources, make use of the support services, and remember, the UJ Library is here to support your learning, research, and academic success every